So today we will do Math Lab practical activity online. What will you do? You can see later on also by doing this. In Google, you will write O Lab, O Labs. Okay. So O Labs class, O Labs. Just you can enter O Labs. So www.olabs.edu.in. Here you will find the activities: maths, English, bio, chemistry, physics. So math lab activities. Now this is for class 10 and these are for class 9. So on 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, the 4 is 12, 13. There are 13 activities here. Okay. So I think we have done which one we should take. Actually, area of circle, you know that you have studied in class 8. Do you know what is the area of a circle? Can you write chat box? Someone, what is the area of a circle? Someone write in the chat box so that I can understand. You know that area of a circle. Pi r square. Very good. So that means you know that area of a circle. What is the circumference of a circle? Circumference 2 pi r. Correct. Okay. So that means you know that this area and circumference. Okay. First of all, let me show this. Then I will tell you what you have to write in your notebooks. Okay. Actually, when you open this one, you will have theory, procedure, animation, simulator. Self-evaluation is also there. Reference, no need. So self-evaluation, some questions are there. We can have the session to solve. I will unmute you and you can tell the answers after finishing this activity. So theory part. This is the theory part where aim or objective to give a suggestive demonstration of the formula that area of the circle is half the product of its circumference and radius. Area of a circle is half the circumference of a, what they are saying, area of a circle is equal to area of a circle is equal to half the product of its circumference. What is its circumference? 2 pi r. Oh, okay, I'll write for circumference. Half circumference of the circle. Circumference is the length of the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. So half of the circumference and radius into radius. This we will prove by doing some practical. So circumference, you know the formula for circumference is what? 2 pi r, as earlier told. 2 pi r into r. So this 2 and 2 cancel. Therefore, the area of circle will become pi r square. So this demonstration we will do. Okay. Just I am trying to make you understand, to make you understood about this one. Okay. Got it? So this we are going to do. Now you have to, generally we are writing aim. This aim should be written in the notebook. Then these are the some points. These are some basics about the circle that you must know. Center, what is center? This is the center. What is radius? You know that what is the center of a circle? Center of a circle, this O. This O is the center of a circle. A point inside the circle, all points are equidistant. All points means these all points which are on the circle are at an equidistance. This point is called center. And circle is a set of points in a plane that are at a given distance from a point. This point is fixed point, and all the points, if you will draw a line by using all these points, this is the definition of the circle. radius, you know that the radius from the distance from the center to any point. From center, if you go anywhere in this one, if you will go anywhere from center to, suppose, from center to distance from center to any point. This is the center. From center, you go any point. You go here or here, anywhere. This anywhere. This is all what circle. This is all what radius. This is the radius. This is this distance from center to this is called radius. Capital R we are denoting by capital R, or small r here. We have denoted by capital R. No problem. Then chord, a line segment joining the 2 points on the circle. Any 2 points, if we join any 2 points on the circle, any, yeah, this is activity. So any 2 point joining, we are just learning about the fact. Then we will do the activity. Any 2 point join. This is a chord. This is a chord. This is a chord. Anywhere you can join this. Any 2 point. This is a chord. Huh? This is from here to here. This is also a chord. Huh? Like this, we can have any joining point. 2 point. This is a chord. Joining this. This is a chord. Any 2 points. These are chords. Then diameter is the length of any chord passing through the center. Now, if the chord is passing through the center, this chord is not passing. If you will make like this chord is passing through the center, then it will become a diameter. And diameter is the double of the radius. You know that it is the twice. And circumference is the perimeter of the circle, means this whole boundary, length of this whole boundary. From here, if you will start walking like this, or you can make find the distance from here to here. This is called circumference. And area, you know that the region inside this region is called the area of a circle. So these all are the facts that we have to study during the circle chapter. But here we are doing, so that's why they have. Then area of the region is 2 pi, is pi r square. Properties, the radius is perpendicular to the circle, bisect the chord. This will come in the next class. Okay, this is the theory that may be used. Now procedure, second part is procedure. If you see the procedure, there are two procedures you will find here, as per in the simulator and as per in real lab. Actually, when we are doing real practical, we should write this one. Real practical means you are doing the real practical, but I will show simulation also. I will show, yes, in exam you need geometry box. Why not? So this is not coming in the examination, but in exam you have to draw many diagrams like under root 2 and many other diagrams, root 9.2. So you need geometry box. So now what we have to do this, if we are doing the real lab practical, means you are doing at home. Real means cutting, pasting. This how to do it, that I will show you as the simulation, means animation part I will show you. So let me show one simulation, animation, and then simulation. So I will start one animation. First, you can see the animation part. Here you can see the animation again. I'll start it again. Area of a circle. Terms, definition, terms related, prerequisite knowledge, and then we will start it. Then we can choose any radius. Then you get a circle, and then click inside. You will get it is converted into 780. How many parts? It is converted into 16 equal parts. 16 equal parts. Okay. Then each part, if you will make like this, you will get. So simulation, we should go to simulation directly because this is there in the simulation. You can do also. You someone can. Here I will see this one. Okay. So I think in your notebook you can write this way. This is your aim. You will write math lab activity number 1 and topic area of circle, then aim. This is your aim to give a suggestive demonstration of the formula that the area of the circle is half the product of its circumference and radius. You can note down. After that, do not write definition, do not write terms related. You will write materials required. Hmm. What will you write second? Materials required. Note down. Aim, then materials required. So materials required, you can write whatever materials you are using, like geometry box, glue stick, colored paper. The materials you can write. It is also given in the theory. You can write from there. But you should write prerequisite formula for the circumference of the circle and formula for area of a rectangle length into breadth. Now we will start this. Okay, this is our first activity. You can go on OLabs and you can do by yourself also. Start here. You will start now. Here you can use any radius. Wherever you will click, you will suppose this is 2.5. I will click at 2.5, 2.57. We got the circle. Okay, here you can have the instruction what you have to do. We will now divide the circle into 16 equal parts. So click on the circle to mark 16 sectorial parts and color them differently. Inside, just you click inside and you can have 16 parts. Okay, now move mouse over each. I put here mouse. Now I will put mouse here. It will come. No need to click. Only if I will put mouse here, this will come out. Okay. If I will put mouse here, it will come out. If I will put mouse here, any portion, all the sectorial parts, you bring the mouse, all will be aligned like this. Okay. Then you have to click next. Means we have to make two circles, two replica. One should be pasted in your notebook. Another should be divided into 16 parts and 8 parts with same color, 8 parts with different color. Same, you can have the white color paper and then draw two circles. One circle you can paste as it is in your notebook right inside. Another circle you can divide into 16 parts and 8 parts you can color with same color, or you can use the same color, yellow, and this is what blue color. Okay. Then next you have to align the parts together. Okay. Now you will find all same color, 8 parts are come together. Now click blue group to create and align. This is blue group. Here you can click, so it will come like this. Okay. And then this blue color, drag the blue color to keep inside this one like this. Now this you have to fit. If you will not fit exactly, it will not. There should be exact fitting. Okay. Now click on left most wedge to cut. This is the left one. this should be cut and bring this side to make a perfect rectangle. So you have to click on this, it will automatically cut. Drag the red part, you have to cut into two parts, and this red part you have to drag and keep it this side. Are you understanding? So 16 parts, then you have to cut one part, drag this one. So here you are getting what? Half of the circumference is above and half of the circumference is down. It becomes a rectangle. And half of the circumference, what is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle is what? 2 pi r. So we have seen this here. This this is the half portion of the circle, because circle was divided into two parts. One is blue part, one is green. So half part is 2, and total circumference is what? 2 pi r. But you have divided into 2, so 2 pi r by 2. This part 2 pi r by 2 means 2 to cancel. This part will be pi r. What will be the length of this part or this part? Both are pi r. And this is what? This is the radius. You cut this part from here like this. So this is the radius r length. This is the half of this part, so radius. So this is the rectangle, and this rectangle has area. Area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. So length of the rectangle is what? Pi r, and breadth of the rectangle is r. So we got pi r square. So when we have what they are trying to show, that when we convert circle into rectangle, then area should be same, because we are not changing its surface. So same surface we are taking, so area will be same. So whenever we are converting into rectangle, the area should be same, and by the rectangle formula we have proved that area of a circle is pi r square. You can write the area of the rectangle form. Area of the given circle, we observe that the length is half of the circumference of the circle, and breadth will be radius, and area of circle, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, pi r square. Okay, and this r, whatever r you have chosen, this answer you will get here. We have taken what was the radius? 2.57, I 2.57. You will take 2, your answer will be here according to that answer, according to chosen radius. Are you understanding? The next will be, this is our final. Now this time we will choose different radius, so that you can see that different answer will come. So take this one. Now I will try to choose 3 centimeters, 2.9, 2.99. 2.9 is almost 3 centimeters. Okay. Now click inside, and this mouse, just bring this mouse here. No need to click, it will come out. Then bring the mouse on yellow color, it will come out. Then next, so like this you can move the mouse fast so that all will come. And after getting it, you can go to the next part. Then click this part and drag it into this. Suppose if you have dragged like this and you left, it will come automatically. Huh? Then left side you can click, and this should be dragged on the right hand side. You can fix it here. Okay. Then you get T. Now answer is 28.07. So this everyone will do it. This data you have to write, radius you have to write, simulation you have to write. So what you have to write first, you will write aim. So again note down aim, that is objective. Then materials required, colored papers, compass, scale, pair of scissors. Procedure in the real lab if you are doing it at home. So you will write this procedure. Procedure you will write, but do not write figure number this. And after writing procedure, right hand side you have to make like this same way. You will make two circles, one as it is, another circle cut into two parts, and like this you will make one rectangle. And in above you will write 2 pi r, here you will write r, and then after this procedure you will go to animation, simulation procedure. Then from this simulation you can uh, before procedure also write prerequisite knowledge. Aim, materials required, prerequisite knowledge. Note down. Aim, materials required, prerequisite knowledge, then procedure. Okay. After procedure, you will take whatever radius you are taking. It is up to you. Okay. You will decide whatever you are taking here. You will click, and accordingly you will write the radius is 3.07. When you are taking 3.07, take radius 3.07. Everyone will take different radius. Do not copy to each other. Okay. Then you go to the observation, or you can here. Then you will write observation. This is what this will come in observation, and the last point will come in the result. The last point area of circle is pi r square 29.59. This is the result, and these 3 points area of rectangle is equal to area of circle. This is this one. We observe that the length is this one. Okay, so up to pi r square is the observation. Then this is the result. Up to here, up to here. This is observation. This is your result. Observation is written in the procedure section. Let me see 1 minute. Let me see the observation. What observation they have written here? Observation. Student will observe. No, no, no. Do not write. Do not write this observation. No. Observation means what you are doing practical and that you are getting the result. That is the observation. So do not write that observation. You have to write the practical observation. What you have done in the practical. That observation you have to write down. Got it? So any doubt is there? Less than 2 it will not take. If you will take less than 2 it will not take. So you can do this O labs at home also. You can try in your yes. If you knew this activity before also, but this year we have in the practicals. So you have to do this activity. This is we are actually teaching when we are teaching about the area of a circle. This activity is there. So if you know that good, this observation, this is the result. Final is the result. So everyone should have different data. I don't see the same answer to everyone. I will not accept if two students will have same answer. I will not accept the practicals from both of that students. So try to make each one different answers, different radius. More than two, you can take any radius anywhere. You can click and write the answer. So this is your first activity. Okay. So now 3 minutes left. You have to rejoin at 11:30. 11:30 we have next class. So till then you can go through these activities and you can start writing also now. Okay. What is self evaluation? Next time to do it. Now we will do the self evaluation in the next period. We will do the self evaluation, or we may do one more activity also in the next period. Okay. So that's all for this period. If you have a doubt, you can ask. I will answer you.
Sir, can
You
you
can
say
mute
like
yourself. Okay, now ask. Yes. What?
can you say like what we need to write? Which all things we need to write again?
You have to write. I told you first heading math lab activity number one, area of circle, aim, second materials required. Here you will find aim, you will find theory, aim you will find in simulation also. Here also you will find to give a suggestive demonstration. This is your aim. Okay. Then go to procedure. Here you will find materials required. After materials required, you have to write here. That's why I'm telling you, you can note down. After that, you will write prerequisite that you will find in simulation. Okay, prerequisite knowledge. Prerequisite means knowledge required. This prerequisite knowledge. Then you go back to procedure. Hmm? Are you getting? I will write here 1 minute.
Yes.
We have a time. No, we have 1 minute. So next class I will tell. I'll tell you next class in detail. The same thing. Okay. To join after 10 minutes. 11:30. You have to join at 11:30.